Hello, I'm Dr. Ilker Apaydin. I'm an International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery certified aesthetic plastic surgeon. I started my hair transplant career back in 1998. Since then, I'm delighted to say that I've helped more than 6,000 men to get their confidence back. I truly enjoy my job and I'm proud of my work. I have great respect towards the needs of my patients. That's why I actively participate in all hair transplant procedures. Before the operation, we will have a one-to-one consultation where you can ask all the questions you have in your mind and familiarize yourself with the procedure. If you are happy with all the information provided, then we will go ahead and prepare you for the operation. I personally do all the incisions for the new grafts to be implanted and join the extraction phase with my senior nurses. So rest assured, we will make sure you achieve the best result you desire.